Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello friends. Let's have fun and learn a few colors today. Let's begin. Green, yellow, black, blue, orange, purple, red, white, pink, silver, tan, brown, teal, maroon, cream. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Great job, friends.